special delivery.
Okay guys, Carty and Carty here guys with another repair video guys. As you can see, I have this Hifonics XX Zues. I don't know. XX Zeus. Yeah, double X Zeus, and this is the mono D class 1600 watt RMS. See, that's what it says. Hifonics. This is kind of a old school amplifier. Old school, but not so old school. I would say. I wouldn't say it's a really old school. It's more like 2005. That yeah, these come out somewhere there. Yeah, I remember reading about it. Somewhere there. And they did have the Hercules and all those ones that comes out the same. Yeah. Yes, guys. So this repair. This one is in protection mode, but I don't want to pour it up to show you guys. I'm gonna show you what's going on in the circuit because I already take the cover off. But here, let me take this let me take this cover off, cover these MOSFETs. As you can see guys, yeah, this is a little unique way they stop these with some little covering by MOSFETs. Yeah, there's one on this side too. Please let me take it off. But guys, as you can see there, let me show you inside of this. Both of these, you can see it. The results, you can see, yeah. This is some power supply issue right here. So, and somebody worked on it before. The guy told me he gave it out to somebody to repair, and he got it back, and it goes up into smoke just like that. It didn't even play. So I'm taking it apart and see what he did wrong, what he didn't do, what he should have done that he didn't, you know. Sometimes a lot of technicians they don't go all the way to repair the amplifier. They just want the money, but I'm in it for, you know, more than that. I'm protecting my brand, my name, and everything, you know, like, you know, all that stuff that goes with it, the character, you know. Yeah, you can't make because of money. Yeah. So if I have a amplifier and it goes on like that with somebody, sometimes even if it's their fault, sometimes I say, hey, you know what, man, it's your fault, but I'm gonna repair it for you know, for free, just because you know it happened so suddenly. I would just give and take sometime, not all the time, because sometimes some people do some really dumb stuff to a amplifier when they get it back, and they wanna overdrive it, and when you get it new, they didn't do that to you, but when they get it from you, they think like you know, yeah. Yes, guys, so you could see the burn, you know, the discoloration. Yeah, these are. You could see the smoke up, and this circuit is conductive. Some of these circuit guys are, if I remember correctly, these circuit are sometimes do some stuff like that. But for now, let me just replace. I mean, I'm not gonna just replace power supply muscle, guys. I'm going to replace maybe output. I'm not sure as yet. Something must be shorting out the power supply. Why he said we get it back, but sometimes some people they don't replace everything. And this circuit board is like, guys, I remember these, man. Oh man, golden circuit board, we used to call them golden. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but it's not this amplifier alone that comes with it. A lot of those old school amplifiers used to have circuit board like this. Some even have some little copper looking. You could see the trace and the board itself look kind of weird, but you know, like it's just this trace. So I'm going to take this apart, guys. You can see that's what I'm doing now, so I can get this chassis off the table because it's so big, taking up a lot of space. So I have to get rid of it. This is a little piece right here. Alright, these are two little. Those are for the lights. Yeah, I'm gonna just going to just hold on. What? Tell me what I didn't. What screw I didn't? Oh, man, come on. Alright, and there's one up here for the pre-on stage. Alright, guys. One more here. Unplug. So let's put this aside right here, and then this and this circuit is for the light on the top and stuff like that. You can see, guys. Yeah, right. You can see. Yeah, we did have a problem. So definitely have a problem. All right. Put that face down so my daughter don't come down here and touch stuff like she's sometime here, guys. So there go, kids. All right. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. Oh my goodness. What the heck? What the hell is this? Holy shit, rock. Look at these guys, the pins. You can see it. Look at that. They don't cut all this. Who repair like this? Oh my god. This one was sent in to me, guys, from Virginia. Yeah. Yeah, this amplifier was sent to me from Virginia to Florida to repair. Yes, guys. So I don't know if where this guy, get. Wow, he just cut these two pins off and these two in the middle, and maybe this is in the middle, never replaced. Yeah, these in the middle never replaced. These, yeah, definitely not. Let me see the batch code. Yeah, definitely this is D2. This has the same D2, and these are the TE. Yeah, yeah. Yes, guys, never replaced. Boy, I tell them, man, these people are some messed up. Look at that. Look at that. Jesus Christ, man. Lord have mercy. Guys, this look like, I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but let me show you. You could see, guys could see the pins. I think these were touching the. Oh, holy yeah, they were doing that. Yes, guys, these were touching the chassis. There's a pin right here that looked like it burnt off and stuck to the chassis. Yep. Yeah, this was touching the chassis. That's what. Oh, man. That's what blew it up. And see, they replaced all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And didn't replace these two. 1, 2. See? I replaced everything else. And that could be the case why it blew out. These other one blow out just like this, no? Man. That's really messed up. That's messed up. When they give you amplifier out to repair and they do it like that. So what I'm going to do, guys, these are the IRFP 064N, and this is the IRFP 064N. So I'm going to replace all of these, and I'll get back to you guys in a minute, guys. Give me a little second here. So let me get them out of the circuit, and yes, so I don't make this video too drawn out because I have a lot of other stuff to do right now. But this amplifier, let me tell you guys, this output, let me show you the output MOSFETs. I found a little unique stuff I see with them. These, yeah, a lot of amplifier do it, because this says 90 IRF 9640, IRF 9640, IRF 9640, IRF 9640. So you have these four are IRF 9640, and these up here are IRF 640, and matching over, yeah, 640, these four, and these four are 9640, 96. Okay, so You would think because it's a mono block, everything is the same. No, holy crap, that's problem there, right? Look at that. All of them are shouting out. All these, gee whiz. Wow. Wow. So I have to change all the power supply MOSFET on all these. Because what like in this amplifier with this case, guys, while one is shouting out, it's best to just change it, dude. It doesn't, yeah, definitely. It's just best to change all of them. And just, the real clean and nice. Yeah. Gate resistors are okay. These are 10 ohms. The gate resistors. Yeah. And then, yep, guys. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. And I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off all these pins and show you guys how I'm not exaggerate. I'm not exaggerating, guys. I'm not. This thing is really messed up what they did to this amplifier. Look at this. Look at the length of these guys. These people, bro. Boy, tell you. So, guys, yeah. Man, I'm gonna have to replace outputs. Jeez, this one is going to take me a long time, guys. So, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a part 2 of this video. So, what I'm going to do, replace all the output transistors, all the power supply transistors, yeah, MOSFET transistors, and then, guys, I'll get back to you if I have any other problem. And first, this cap was loose, this one right here, yeah, but I already, these are this 106K at 100 volts, yeah, these blue caps right there, yeah, one of them, this one was loose and I soldered it up, so that was an issue too. And then, I'm gonna replace all, as I said, output MOSFET for both side and power supply MOSFET. And I'll see you on part 2 of this video, guys. I don't want to get this video too drowned out, so yeah, because I'm gonna have to do a lot now and can't keep pausing the video. That's what I keep doing. So I'll get back to you guys. With any other update I'll let you know. Alright, guys. Carty&Carty, if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. And this is the XX Zues 1600 mono black amplifier Hifonics. Alright, guys, see you on the next one. Part 2 of this video coming up, guys, shortly. Alright, Carty&Carty.
Special delivery.